Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Minneapolis, St. Paul. The local time is 5:16 a.m. Please remain seated and keep seatbelts fastened, and all carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Once the seatbelt sign is turned off, please use caution when opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during our flight and landing. You may not use mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. Before you do leave your seating area, please be sure to check around the floor, seat pockets, and in the overhead bins for any personal articles that you may have brought on board. On behalf of Delta Sky Team, our global partners, especially this Minneapolis-based crew, we do thank you for flying with us. It's been our pleasure having you on board today. We look forward to serving you again soon. We wish you a pleasant stay in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area or wherever your travels may take you. Thank you and have a great day.